groundwater tables have dropped massively between 2006 and 2015, which is the period when a lot of this exponential growth of construction happened in Gurgaon.
If we don't begin this talk now, or if we don't begin any action now, then it could very well be very late in the coming years to actually have a response to address the issue. All our civilization, wherever it has emerged, it has all been on banks of some river or along the coast, and water has been a central theme throughout. In such a scenario, even today the relevance of water cannot be underestimated, and a water positive society is one where there is a realization about the importance of water and a reduction of consumption of wastage and promotion of recycling and reuse.
Gurgaon has a lot of large companies and many responsible firms are there, global firms are there. So we have a huge corporate body of firms and people, and one of the things the firms can do is basically do an ecological footprint assessment of what is their water footprint and their energy footprint. Offices can do interventions like low flow taps, waterless urinals, cleaning with less water, and most importantly reusing the treated wastewater so that fresh water demand is reduced.
We at Hero have been working on water conservation since ages. So all our plants today are water positive. All our facilities including R&D are water positive. At all our locations we have rainwater harvesting. All our locations have ZLDs, zero liquid discharge. Also we have STPs, ETPs. We use a lot of water which is treated for various parts all over. And objective is that can we really conserve. The
domestic use of water is per capita is higher than the office use. We at home we get ready, we have a bath, we cook and wash, and so our per capita water use in the house is maybe 100 plus liters, and office is much less. So what the role that corporate of companies could do is basically one, they could make information available about conservation options to their employees.
First, in the kitchen water taps, you can put the aerators. Aerators, instantly reduce the water usage by 40%. The second is sensors in the water taps. If your hands are away from the wash basin, it stops the water. And the third, reduce the chemicals from your lifestyle. I strongly believe it's the individual who can take the lead and who can correct the things.
There are times when we actually call the kids and tell them to do some paintings and these kind of competitions on various areas, whether it's related to pollution or whether it's related to water conservation and all. The aim is just to generate some sort of awareness among kids also.
The Jal Shakti Abhiyan, it symbolizes the resolve of the central government, and the pond and wastewater, the water authority that has been made by Honorable CM, it symbolizes the resolve of the state government.
If we can save that drop, all these drops will make that ocean, and suddenly will not be facing that kind of crisis that we are facing today.
With Guru Jal, it is now up to all of us to carry forward the resolve and act in this time of need, which affects all of us and would affect all of us in even a greater way in the coming years.